And here is my Coco jujube tree. Fruit is almost ready. This one is ready. Let's see. You can tell when you have this darker spot, that's when they're ready. Let's try this one. Very sweet and juicy. This variety is one of my favorites. The Coco jujube variety. It's juicy and it's very sweet. So I recommend it to any gardener that wants to grow some fruit with little care. The jujube is heat resistant, cold hardy, and then drought tolerant. So it's a great addition to any garden, and best of all, the fruit. Fruit's delicious. This one I have in a 15-gallon pot, but if you plant it in the ground, you're gonna have lots of fruit. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. I'll talk to you later. I'm gonna keep enjoying this jujube fruit. Thank you for watching.